By default, everyone's IssueTrack homepage is the My Issues page. This can be changed by an administrator, or if you've been allowed to adjust your personal settings. The My Issues page contains a series of tabs that show you what issues you play a role in. There could be as many as 12 tabs, or as few as 2 or 3, depending on how much involvement you have in the site. Clicking on the majority of tabs takes you to a list of issues. The first tab would be any reminders you have set in the system. The second tab links to any global issues you have the ability to view, or to submit the same problem. The next few tabs break out the issues you play a role in. Once you click on the tab, you can then click to sort any of the columns. Clicking the issue number or subject will take you directly to that issue. The final tab gives you access to the section called My Reports. This lets you see any report that you've created or that's been shared with you. To run a report, just click on the report name to select it. Then click the Run Report button. The report information will display in the current window. That's My Issues in IssueTrack.